guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this smoky look that's perfect for Thanksgiving. If you want to know how I achieved it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start with priming the eyes, and I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium. I'm just going to blend that out with a brush. For eyeshadow, I'm starting out with Chickadee by Makeup Geek, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease to start with my transition shade. So just take your time blending that in circular motions. Next, we're going to dip into Mischief Minx, and I'm going to take the shade Flaming Femme, and I'm going to tap that on the crease as well, but I'm going to keep it below the Chickadee shade just to keep that ombre effect. Next, I'm going to take this brown shade called Schemer, and I'm going to do the same thing and tap that right below the red shade and just slowly blend it. So tapping it softly is going to blend your shadows easily every time. And with MAC shadows, they blend super easily. Next, we're taking Totally Trouble, which is a black shade, and I'm just going to tap that strictly onto the base of the lid. I'm not going to bring it up too high just because I want the majority of the warm shades to show through. So I'm just going to tap and blend all the shadows, and then I'm taking this gold called Very Frisky or V Frisky, and I'm going to place that onto the inner corner of the eye just to show some brightness. Next, I'm going to take the Stila Gold Liquid Eyeshadow, and I'm going to tap that over the gold shade on the inner corner to give it a really nice sparkle. We're going to be using eyeliner today, and this is the waterproof black eyeliner by Essence. You guys, this eyeliner is really good. It actually stays put all day, and it's only about $3. So we're just going to tightline the upper and lower lash, and then I'm going to smoke it out with the same shades that we used on the top of the eye. Lastly, you're just going to want to put a little bit of highlight on the brow bone, and the eyes are all done. For primer, I'm taking the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and I'm going to apply that all over my skin since it's a lot colder out in this time of year. And then for foundation, I'm taking the NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Tahoe, and this is also a great foundation too because it's going to keep my skin glowy and it's not going to make it look too dry and matte. I love this foundation. You guys can see my skin is still glowing, so make sure you take your time blending that. And then I'm going to go in with concealer, and this is obviously the Juvia's Place. I'm just going to put that under my eyes, my chin, and I'm going to spot conceal my blemishes. And we're just going to blend that as well with the sponge. And you guys can see why I love this concealer. It just blends so beautifully, and it's super lightweight. You guys, you really need to try this concealer. So now we're taking the NARS Soft Matte Cream Concealer in the shade Ginger, and we're just going to highlight our face. You guys, I really love this concealer also because it's super blendable, but it's also highly pigmented. So as you can see, it's really bringing the features I want forward and cutting that contour. So for powder, I'm going to bake with the Huda Beauty in Banana Bread, obviously, and I'm going to place that on with my e.l.f. sponge as well. For bronzer, I'm taking the MAC Deep Dark, of course, and I'm going to apply that with my fan brush. I've been so pale lately, so just make sure to bronze up your forehead, your cheeks, and under your jaw to make it look like you have that Hawaii vacation glow. Next, I'm taking my Milani blush in the shade Coral Cove, and I'm just going to apply that onto the apples on my cheeks and bringing it into my contour a little bit just to warm up the face even further. Next, I'm going to sweep away all that bake, and if you apply too much blush, this is actually perfect to do. It'll help mute the color and act as a veil. And for highlight, I'm going in with the MAC Oh Darling, and this is an OG highlighter that's really good. It's champagne, so I'm just going to put that on subtly. And then for lip liner, I'm going in with Cold Brew by NYX. I really love this color. It has that warm brown tone to it, not a little bit lighter than Cork, so I'm just going to line the lips lips with that. And then I'm taking a Chocolate Lust from Maybelline and I'm going to apply that all over. And this color is so beautiful, you guys. I love it. Next, I'm taking my MAC lipstick in the shade Peachy Peter. This is by the Patrick Star collection. And I'm just going to apply that into the center of my lips to give it a brightening effect and a little bit of ombre. And then you want to take setting spray and lock in all of those powders and add back some hydration. And once it's dry, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.